Hey everyone, it's your homeschool teacher. This is your ish homeschool teacher, and today I'm going to be helping you learn with Easter eggs. I have 3 different Easter egg colors, and you guys are gonna have to tell me what color it is, and try and guess what's inside that Easter egg. And if you get one of them correct, you get a point. If you guess both correct, you get 2 points. And before you get started, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to their channel. I know little ones can't do that really not often, but I mean parents, go ahead and do so right now. Ask your parents. Say, can I like the video and subscribe because I want to learn more things from Abigail? Well, I guess you can. And look, I'm wearing the same shirt again. Well, I have the same exact shirt 3 times, and I decided to wear all 3 on the same day, kind of to trick you guys. So let's get started. The first egg, we have the very first egg. What color is this? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Finally, 1. If you guess blue, you're correct. Now guess what's inside the egg. What's inside the egg? No one knows what's inside the egg. What's inside the egg? It could be a mystery. What's inside the egg? No one knows what's inside the egg. It could be a mystery. I made that song a while ago, but I'm not sure where it is on this channel. Let's begin. It's 2 things inside. It's a starburst and 3 musketeers. There's not 3 inside. Well, that's what was inside the very first egg. Put that off to the side. Next egg. What color is this? Next egg. What color is this? Ooh, I feel nothing. What do you think is inside? If you guys said orange, you're totally correct. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Guys, let us know what you think's inside the egg. What's inside the egg? No one knows what's inside the egg. It's $1. Whoa, $2? That's a real good deal inside one Easter egg. We'll put that back in. What color is it? What color is this? What color is this? No one knows, people, what color is this? Okay. If you guys said green, you're totally correct. Let's crack it open. If you said Hubba Bubble Gum and 2 Pez, you're correct. I mean, some people wouldn't have gotten that. If you said one of the items, you're correct. Next egg, what color is this? If you said orange, you're correct. And if you said 1 Pez, you're correct. I'm trying to go real fast here. The next one, it's blue. If you said light blue, you're totally correct. And if you said $1 bill, you're correct. I'll shake some of them so you guys have a good idea of what's inside them. So, wait. Okay. I think I've heard this before. Okay, if you said like a light orange, you're correct. And if you said a Pez, then you're totally correct. But if you said Pez, you're 1 point. If you said the correct flavor of Pez, you're totally correct. Next egg. Ooh. Did I just shake? And not this one. This one feels real light. If you said light green or light green, you're correct. But if you said it green, you're correct. If you said $1 bill, you're correct. Good job. You won $1 million. Oh, do you want to know something? So whenever we say jinx, you owe me so whenever we say something that we jinx, so like you said, jinx, you owe me a soda, and then we say, and $1 million, and a puppy sometimes. But we say, jinx, you owe me a soda, and $1 million a lot, but sometimes we add a puppy.
I don't even know what you're saying.
The next one, this feels another light one. It's blue. If you said dark blue, you're totally correct. If you said $1 bill, you are correct as well. Ooh, I'll do this one. What's inside this egg? If you said darker blue, you were correct. If you said two pears, grape, and strawberry, you're correct. And your parents can play, and make sure you ask your parents to play these last 3 eggs to see what's inside that. Let's open this one. I think I know what's inside this one. What color is it? A green. You guys guess the rest of the colors, but your parents guess what's inside. If you said green egg and you said scents inside, you're correct. It's real heavy for scents. Don't put a lot in an egg because if you shake it, it'll just explode. We have 2 more eggs. Let's start off with this one. What color is it? Orange, if you guessed orange. And what is inside the egg? That's the large question for you and your parents to figure out. This one's tricky for some people, it would be. I'll give you about 10 seconds because this one's a little hard. I'll give you till 7 minutes and 40 seconds. And I'll give you 5 minutes. So time's up. If you said Pedro Pony, you're correct. This one would have been really, really hard. Let's put Pedro back in his egg where he belongs. Say bye, Pedro. Bye. And now, do you guys get a real good clue of what's inside this one? So I'll give you 5 seconds to say what color is this egg. If you said green, light green, or lime green, you're correct. Now, the large question is what's inside. I'm going to kind of shake it for you. And I'll give you till 8:30. 8 minutes and 30 seconds on this video. And time's up. If you said George Pig, you're correct. Look at George. I mean, you probably would have guessed. Some of you wouldn't have guessed that. But if you were watching my Peppa Pig videos, like the bus videos, like 2 bus videos, you probably would have got. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye. High five, fist bump. High five and fist bump. We out. If it's nice outside, go outside and play. If it's not, do something creative inside. And I'll see you next time.